As we close, I want to thank one more group. It's a small group, but it's a mighty powerful group, and it's the reason why we're all here tonight. It's the planning team, and this is the first time we've ever tried to do something like this. And I just want to recognize each of them if they can come up on stage. First off, Wade Walker, who give a great way to, in addition to being vice chair of GIPA, did a great job planning this entire event. Nikhil Marate, charged in addition to being strategy and planning, and we got something for everybody, right? Did a tremendous job also planning this event. We have Susan Wellborn, Gail Podolsky, who can't be with us tonight. She is sick. Anna Agrau, Elizabeth Lester, Lori Hood, Sophia Sogabwama, Charles Landrum, Pete Pascali, and Barry Brager, who's been with us from before GIPA even existed. He's been heading up strategy, our web designer, our logo master. Come on up. This is the team that put this whole day together. We've been together since about 8 o'clock this morning, and it's been an awesome day. Can't thank this team enough. We got things for everybody, right? Sophia, we got something for you. Yeah. All right, we'll give you a dummy one. But we got one for you. All right, can we give this group a round of applause? All right. And we're going to do one more thing. We're a big family, right? Intellectual Property Alliances. Gotten to know each other tonight. We're doing things to change the world. We got something kind of special, if you ask me, and I want to celebrate it. We've got somebody in the house who's a teenager who came to support their father on their birthday. Her name is Naomi Brager. I believe it's her 15th birthday. And by the way, I've got a son whose birthday was this week, just a couple of days ago. His name's David Frank. 23rd birthday. If you would join me in singing happy birthday to both of them. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Naomi and David. Happy birthday to you. As we wrap, I gotta say a couple more thank yous. I gotta thank my family. I got the most supportive family a person could ever have. Lovely wife, my wife Marie, who gives me the ability to do the things that I do. My children are here. My mother is here. I also want to thank the Peace, Harmony, and Joy team for all the great things we're doing together, and my AT&T Intellectual Property family. Thank you all, and good night.